Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this smoky eye cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I start with a gray color, and I'm going to go in and make the shape of the cut crease that I want. For this look, I wanted a really dramatic, exaggerated cut crease, so I make the lines go far outside of where my eyes would normally stop. Once I have the shape I want, I go back and thicken the line and then start to blend out the cut crease. Next, I decide to darken a little bit of the cut crease, and I add a little bit of black using the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm just putting it kind of where the inner corners are. Next, using a makeup removing liquid and Q-tips, I'm going in and cutting the crease and removing any excess eyeshadow. Next, I'm going over that area with concealer, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Next, I'm creating a line, and this is kind of the shape of the cut crease again. I'm leaving sort of an area of negative space, leaving the area near kind of where the wing would usually go blank. Next, I'm using a kind of whitish cream tone color for the inner corners. Then along that line shape we created, I'm using the same gray color I used before. And I'm going along that line and blending inward. Then to darken it, I'm using a little bit of black along that line as well, blending inward. Next, using a thin brush and concealer, I'm going along the wing and the negative space area. Next, for lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and then I'm putting false lashes on top of those. For the lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood Liquid Lipstick. And that completes this smoky eye cut crease makeup look. I really wanted this to look very dramatic, the way the cut crease is extended and exaggerated. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.